Okay, this is how the parting looks like. Okay, come closer. Okay, this is how it looks. But I don't put baby hair this time around because I want you guys to see how it totally looks. Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back. Hey you guys, in case you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is BLY, and today I'm going to show you how to wear a wig and it looks so natural, just like here, simple and easy. You can actually wear it without baby hair. So this time around I actually sectioned and I did a side part because I'm not good at doing the middle part. It doesn't really suit me. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Let us see what we have. So yeah. Hi guys, hello, and this is the hair we are going to be using is from BLY Hair, so I'm going to leave it in the description box. So opening up, as you can see, we have opened up the hair, the box. What we only have a wig cap and their social media and all that. So this is the hair, guys. It's a 13x4 less frontal, and it is also, is it 18 inches? Yes, it's 18 inches. So if you look at it, looks pretty well, pretty good. The hair is soft, it is so good. I love the texture of the lace. Usually, even if you are trying to work with any kind of hair, as long as the lace is bad, the hair will not come out. So this is how the lace looks like. The knots are not bleached, so that is what we are going to do. So I did it, this is the previous night. I was actually done with my skincare. I just want to show you how it looks. Open it up and see. This is the before, this is how it looks. Yes, you can rock your hair in this manner, but if you want to make it look like real skin, let's get into the video. So starting off, we will need aluminium foil, a mixture, a bowl, and so we are going to take this bleach and also going to take some developer. You can get it at any beauty supply store. You don't need to be an expert to do this. Okay, go to any beauty supply store and get yourself the hair bleach. So this is the one that I'm going to use. Is it the BW2, something like that? So it's actually everywhere, almost everywhere, in Uganda, in everywhere. So I'm going to add developer. I have a problem. I just measure with my eyes. So you basically make a paste. You know how it can be like toothpaste, like it is not so watery. Make sure you don't make it watery. Make it like, sort of like it's holding. Yeah, so you can see what I'm doing. Sometimes it can get messy, so that's why you need to have your foil with you. So just basically mixing everything until you see you don't have any powder. We don't want any powder when we're going to begin this process. We don't need any sort of powder right now, okay? So mix it until it's like this. Hope you can see. Yeah, you see? It doesn't be like liquid, so it is in a paste form. So take away the excess, any excess sort of like excess bleach that is on the foil. Turn it around. So guys, let me give you a tip. If you can, it's best you use a spoon. This is the hair that we're going to be bleaching right now. So you see, this is the lace. We are going to cover the lace with this white paste. You don't need to put it anywhere else, only on the lace, okay? If you have a spoon works best. In my next video, I'll also show you. A spoon works best for this process, for this application process. Although I just needed to show you using this brush because most of you ask me most of the time whenever you see me doing bleaching videos. So yes, you can do with this brush. Still do. Make sure that thing is not runny or what. Just make sure you cover the entire lace. As you can see me do, I cover my entire lace so that the entire lace can get eaten up by this, by this bleach. We should call it bleach, yes, because you need to bleach the knots. We need to make sure that this lace really looks like so nice. So I usually do it in my bathroom. I don't advise you to do it in an open place, a cold place. Yes, that is something that you should be aware of. Sometimes this bleach may not be activated. So I'm going to leave it for like 30 minutes. I went ahead, did whatever I was doing, and boom, I am back. So this is how you're going to see, sort of turning it like kind of yellow on the roots. This is what I mean. So you only bleach according to your skin color. If you're too light, you go lighter. If you're too dark, just bleach a little bit, like within 10 minutes. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just seeing everything is turning like a bit of golden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash off this one. So I wash it off. Make sure you wash it off and remove it. My hands are so used at bleach, so they don't really get like, you know, hot or like dry or what. So they are so used at my bleach. But if you're this kind of a person who is so sensitive and all that, make sure you put on some gloves. Yeah, my hands are so used because I do this almost every single day on my client's hair, on my bridal hair and all that. And by the way, I love the texture of the lace. The lace was so good. As you can see, just see it melting. So that is one thing that I loved about the lace. The lace is so good. It incorporated with me so well. So I'm going to take a bit of shampoo. You can use any form of shampoo, but if you have the purple one, you should use the purple one. If you have that purple shampoo, I'm forgetting the name. So I hanged up in my shower. I hanged it up on my shower, you know, so that it can spend the whole night drying up. Okay, so let us put on the hair. Oh, it is a lace frontal wig. So yeah, this is the hair and this is how it looks like here. If you are a beginner, I would suggest you cut off the lace before you actually put it on the head. Yeah, because sometimes you might end up cutting yourself. Okay, so if you're a beginner, I suggest you cut the lace off before you actually install the hair. Okay, so our baby is right here. Let us put it on. This time around I need it straight, so we're going to be wearing it in. Okay, so let us get our comb right here. Okay, this is how the parting looks like. Okay, so I'm going to get a bit of this gel. It's clear gel. I love using this kind of gel. So you can, in case you want to melt the lace so that you don't have to see anything, so just put it onto the lace just like this, so that this lace can actually melt into the skin. But even if you've not done anything, I don't see any reason why you would, you know, cry about it. So let us first make the parting right here like this. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my flat iron. Oops. My hot comb. I'm going to take a bit of this gel. I want to lay a bit, like a little edges just right here. Yeah, just like that, eh? Simple, all right? See, simple. Okay. Oh yeah.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone.
So let us also try and wear it behind, just like this, because it's a frontal, so you can actually wear it behind. You can get it in a puff form so that you can, you know, hold it behind. So yeah.
Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's done.
And guys, so this is how it looks like. Let me even come closer. Okay, this is how it looks. But I didn't put baby hair this time around because I want you guys to see how it totally looks from even the pattings and all that. So this is the final look, and you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. The hair is from BLY Hair, so everything is down in the description box for you to share, for you to buy and shop. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I